Jamaica's Shanieka Ricketts smashes triple jump, while Brittany loses hurdles battle at Paavo Nurmi Games. Jamaica's Shanieka Ricketts, competing at the Paavo Nurmi Games in Turku, Finland, was simply too much for her competitors in the women's triple jump event yesterday, June 14, 2022. The Jamaican World Championships and Pan Am Games silver medalist had previously won 6 of her 7 triple jump finals so far this season, with her only defeat coming earlier in June at the Rabat Diamond League event, where she placed second in that triple jump final. On this occasion yesterday, Shanieka consistently jumped over 14 meters with all of her 6 attempts, effectively leaving the competition quite a way behind. Her best jump came on her second attempt, where she jumped 14.35 meters with a positive 0.1 meter per second wind. Second place in the event was taken by Nija Filipic of Slovenia, whose best jump was 14.26 meters, achieved in her second attempt. Jamaica's Brittany was present at this meeting in Finland as well, where she took part in the women's 100-meter hurdles event, showing her class by winning Heat 1 in a time of 12.67 seconds, with Nadine Visser of the Netherlands taking the second place spot in the heat with 12.84 seconds, ahead of Zoe Sedley, also of the Netherlands, who finished in 13.04 seconds. Heat 2 was taken by Nigeria's Tobi Amusan in 12.76 seconds, with Liz Clay of Australia breaking the tape next in 12.96 seconds. In the final of the event, it was Amusan who took the win over Anderson in a very close finish, the result of a faster reaction time by the Nigerian, but a great run from both athletes, who raced to the line together, with Amusan pipping Anderson for the win. Finishing times were 12.57 seconds and 12.59 respectively for the two, a new season's best for the winner. Nadine Visser was third in 12.72 seconds, Liz Clay fourth in 12.85, and Rita Hersky of Finland fifth in 13.01 seconds. The women's 100-meter dash event at Paavo Nurmi surprisingly didn't have any Jamaicans taking part, and Daryl Nita of Great Britain dominated that event, winning Heat 1 of 2 with a time of 11.09 seconds, a time which represented a new season's best for her. Finishing a fairly distant second in that heat was Magdalena Lindner of Australia in 11.68, with Yasmin Quadro of Germany finishing in step with her for the same 11.68 second timing to claim the third place spot. In Heat 2, Imani Lanziquat of Great Britain took top honours with an 11.44 seconds run to win. Patricia van der Weeken of Luxembourg finished close behind in second place with 11.46 seconds, with Annina Kortetmaa of Finland taking third place in the heat in 11.63 seconds. The final of this event saw Nita taking the win with a clocking of 11.10 seconds. Lanziquat was second with 11.36 and van der Weeken third in 11.51 seconds.